The most important thing I tell people is to find a company that, one, you trust. When you give them a call, do they sound like they know what they're doing? Do you feel like you bond well with them in the short time that you talk to them? But making sure they're local is important because they're going to know the local laws, not just the federal laws. There are a fair amount of companies that are nationwide. They advertise that they're local, but they're not truly in the area that they're servicing. They will take calls and farm those leads out to companies such as ours that are local, or they'll even drive, a couple hours to get to that area. So they don't necessarily know the laws, and they just, in my opinion, they don't always have the best interest of the clients in mind. It's more about money for them.